Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Tanctics and welcome back to another video. Before I get into the video, I just wanted to update you really quickly. I did finally choose a deck. We will be doing the Megalith deck, or more of a Dratron Megalith hybrid type of deck, so because it seems like it's the only deck profile I could really find. So we'll be building that. And so because of that, I have some exciting openings coming up very soon, so stay tuned on that, and you get to see me fail learning the deck. I already did my first duel against Blackwing. I did beat the Blackwing deck because it's just a computer, but I suck at the decks. Don't make fun of it if you watch it. But that being said, let's go ahead and get into these 4-pack openings. So this time I have, last video we had 4 different monsters with the 4 different packs. This time I have 2 of the same monster packs, and then two different. Anyways, that's weird. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see how it goes. Maybe that last opening was just kind of freak accident. Alright, so let's see what we got here. We got the Final Sigma here. DD Swirl Slime. We got Elemental Hero Nessos Kludger. We got a Yazel Evil of the Yang Zing. I remember the Yang Zing decks, so this is pretty cool. And then we got a Truck Black. I think we got that card last time. That's pretty freaking cool. Alright, the Cyber Dragon looking. I got the Cyber Dragon. Again, I'm still kind of new at it. I'm really new at Yu-Gi-Oh! So excuse me. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got the Void Cauldron. Alright, we got the Alien Ammonite, Ryza the Mega Monarch, that's cool. Deskbot 001, and then we got the Sanctum of Harshath, I want to say. Awesome. Next. So we got here. Look at this thing. Heavenly Dragon Circle, Ghost Trick, I'm just going to say boss. We got the Ghost Trick Mary. Oh, that's cool. I've actually never seen that one before. That's cool. We got the Tenyi Spirit Mapura, and then we got the Rare Fish. And then the last pack of this video. We got the Ghost Trick Spectre, Vampire Kingdom, Shell Knight, Insector Hornet, and then the Agent of Mystery Earth. So still haven't got one of those special cards. I know it's kind of like a low probability of getting it, but that is the opening. And again, stay tuned for the next openings that I'll be having in the next couple of videos. I think you're gonna love it. And if you have anything you want me to do, please feel free to let me know. And again, you have a wonderful day. I'll see you.